In this video, we're going to take you through the steps of updating the firmware on your DJI Inspire Two and remote controller using the DJI Go app. A firmware update is done to optimize system performance and add new functions to your drone as they come available. Be sure your drone and controller are fully charged. Make sure you have the DJI Go app installed on your iOS or Android device. Connect your mobile device to the remote controller. Launch the DJI Go app and make sure you have a decent Wi-Fi connection. If there are new firmware versions available, you will see a pop-up prompting you to update. Tap Update Now to start the firmware download process. Once the download is finished, the device will automatically start to upgrade. Updating the drone is just as easy. Simply connect your mobile device to the drone and switch to USB mode. Tap Update Now to download the new firmware. Once download is complete, the upgrade will commence automatically. We hope this helped answer any questions you might have regarding firmware updates. If you have any other questions, be sure to pop by the shop in Alexandria or head to our website, www.spheredrones.com.au.